Jai Srimanarayana. 23rd sloka of 9th chapter of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Please repeat. Yepyanya devata bhaktaha yajante shraddhayanvitaha तेऽपि मामेव कौन्तेय यजन्ति अविधिपूर्वकम्। ॐ Whomever you worship, whichever the devata you worship, to make that puja more proper and more understandable and for the best and quick results and to make it more authentic, always feel the presence of Sri Krishna Paramatma in every devata that you worship and feel that Krishna Paramatma himself is receiving your offerings through those devatas. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly asking you to surrender to him alone. Krishna Paramatma says, "Come to me, surrender to me alone, do not cry. Mamekam saranam vraja Ma Suchaha." Now you must respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma within your bhavana following these lines. O Krishna, O Srimanarayana, I shall definitely start feeling your presence in every devata that I worship, and I shall understand that you are the one receiving my offerings through those devatas. O Krishna, O Srimanarayana, I shall surrender to you alone. I shall not cry. Srimanarayana, I shall act according to your word. Srimanarayana, Karishye Vachanam Tava. Sarvam Sri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimanarayana. Now let us learn Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpatarorgalitam phalam Sukhamukhadamrutadrava Pibata Bhagavatam rasamalayam Muhuraho rasika bhuvi bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Sukha Yogindra. Yam pravrajantamapeta krutyam Dvaipayano virahakatara ajuhava Putreti tanmayataya taravobhineduhu Tam sarvabhuta hrudayam munimanatosmi. Namaskaram to Naranarayana, Chaturmukha Brahma, Saraswati Devi, Vyasa Maharshi. Narayanam namaskritya naram chaiva narottamam Devim saraswatim vyasam tato jayam udirayet. Srimad Bhagavatamu Dasamaskandhamu 10th Skandham 99th day. Suta Maharshi giving his discourse to Savanaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukayogindra teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, O Parikshin Narendra, Nanda Maharaju requesting Garga Mahamuni like this, O Munivarenya, please do naming ceremony to my both sons. Then Garga Mahamuni saying, O Nanda Maharaja, Khyatascha bhuvi sarvada, I am the priest of Yaduvamsam. The entire world knows about it. That is why Sutam Maya Samskrutam Te Manyate Devaki Sutam. If I do naming ceremony to these sons, Kamsa will understand that these sons are Devaki's sons, and immediately he will try to kill this son. That is another danger. Like that, when Garga Mahamuni said, Nanda Maharaju saying, O Mahamuni, Alakshitaha asmin rahasi mamakairapi govraje kuru dvijati samskaram swasti vachana purvakam devaki devi kodukani krishnuni kamsundu talanchugavuna rahasyambuna samskarambu cheyutakaryambu. O Mahamuni, if you think that there is going to be a danger from Kamsa, then in our home, in this Gosala, please conduct naming ceremony without letting anyone know. Having this Swasti Vachanam and everything done, please do naming ceremony. Like that, when Nanda Maharaj requested, then Garga Mahamuni Chakara Namakaranam Gudho Rahasi Balayoho. He has conducted naming ceremony to both the sons. What happens next? We will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmat Gurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala. Krishna Rakshatu no Jagatraya Guruhu. Krishnam Namasyamyaham. Krishne Namarasetravo Vinihataha. Krishnaya Tasmai Namaha. Krishnadeva Samuthitam Jagadidam. Krishnasya Dasosmyaham. Krishne Tishtati Visvametadakhilam. He Krishna Samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita, 9th chapter, 23rd sloka. Yepyanya devata bhaktaha yajante shraddhayanvitaha tepi mameva kaunteya yajanti avidhipurvakam. Yepyanya devata bhaktaha yajante shraddhayanvitaha tepi mameva kaunteya yajanti avidhipurvakam. Srimannarayana karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.